We today continue with a box plot. There are two types of box plots: skeleted box plot and modified box plot. So skeleted box plot construct. So how to construct the skeleted box plot? Draw the vertical or horizontal measure scale and construct the rectangle box in the lowest or left edge at the lower quarters as upper or right angle in the upper quartile. So basically it's something like that. So you need to construct which is lowest value, the highest number, and also the quartile. First lowest quartiles, uh, 20, first quartile, second quartile, or third quartile. The box which is equal the interquartile range IQ by upper quartile minus lower quartiles. Draw the histogram or vertical line segment inside the box at the location of the medium. So you need to also show the medium. Extend vertical horizontal line segment called weakest for each of the box to the smallest and the largest observation in the data. So this is example. We have the maximum value in here, minimum value, value for the lower quartiles, value for the upper quartile 75%, and also mean and also the medium. So interquartile is the value between lowest quartiles and also the upper quartile. So modified box plot is observation of the outliner in more than 1.5 away from the nearest quartile is the nearest end of the box. The outliner is extreme if the more than third IQ from the nearest box and the middle otherwise. The modified box plot represents the mild and extreme outliner, and the weakest extend to each end of the most extreme observation that are not outliner. So this outliner, that's mean you want to see which the value is outside from the normal one. So the modified box plot are the weakest are the line that extend for left and right to the box adjust value, and the adjacent value are defined as the lowest and the highest observation that are still inside the region. To define the limitation, so you okay, the upper values, this is we just need to have minus 1.5 times QRS. So the value is 1.5 in here compared to previous one. Okay, the upper value for quarter 3 is plus. So the formula in here is a little bit different. In general, the value will fall outside the adjustment value regions are DIMS or outliners. So construct the modified outliner. So it is the horizontal measurement, construct the box plot, and then weight equal to IQR. Draw the line vertical segment inside the box at the location of the medium. Determine any mild or extreme outliner in the data. Draw weakest the extent for each under the box to most extreme observation. It's not outliner. Draw plus to mark the location is any mild outliner or extreme outliner in the data set. So this is example. So if you have data, this is called outliner. Okay, for example, you are a very excellent student. So maybe the average student is like in this score, but your score is highest than the others. For example, 70 is in SPM. So most students got maybe 9 or 10. Yes. Okay, so this is the graph you want to see the outliner patterns. So this is the highest value, 75%. The formula is just different. You need to times 0.5 in here times IQR. So interval value is IQR. Okay, the value percent between the lowest and uppers percent percentile. So this is the value of median. Okay, this is value for the lowest. Okay, you see the difference is the formulas.